stylist is indeed a master, Z. These waves remind me of the twilight surf flapping gently against the shores of Themyscira.
Yes, Paulette never fails to impress.
Oh, hey, Kara.
Sup, ladies? What you doing?
We have just had our hair transformed by Z's stylist. Truly, she is an artist.
You know, Kara, your look is getting a little, stale. Maybe you should let Paulette spruce it up a bit.
I don't know. I kind of like my style.
You must submit your hair to Paulette's gentle touch. She is a bomb.
The bomb. Come on, Kara, go right in.
We will wait for you right here.
Ooh, can I help you?
Yeah, I guess they want me to get my hair done or whatever.
Don't speak. You've come to the right place. And as my last customer of the day, you'll get an extra special treatment. There. Now let's clean up the old you and make way for the new you.
Exactly how new are we talking about?
Don't speak. Relax. Close your eyes.
No way. I am not letting you touch my hair.
Now to clean up this mess. What kind of product is she using?
Do you think we should check on her?
Don't worry. Let Paulette work her magic.
This will be my greatest masterpiece!
Oh my, Kara! Are you okay?
Well, what do you think?
Oh, yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, you were right. I needed to freshen up my look.